Hello everyone, my name is Bika. I'm living in America right now, but my country is Vietnam, and I come from Ma tribes. Okay, so we used to do this to carry our baby a lot. And my mom, my dad, I'm sure that carry me with this too. Now I'm gonna carry my baby with this, okay? This is like a magic for me with my 4 kids. I do it with them every time. Well, when I need to do anything, I do this. Okay, they're gonna be in my back and in my front. Okay, we'll show you guys how to do it today. Okay, Olivia, hey, come here. I'll show you guys. She's a little too big. Oh, okay. You wanna point out because I need to put my back like this. Hey, okay, now I'm gonna stand and then I'm gonna point out. So there we go, Olivia. See? 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 This is the back like this, very comfortable, very comfortable. You can do anything, and you have 2 hands free. Now, if you want to turn them in the front, just do this, and that's it. Now you can snuggle with them like this, see? Yeah.
And also show us how you tie the...
Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys how to tie it, okay? Like this part. Okay, so like this. You make sure you have all over her body, and then you tie like this, and then like this. See? Yeah.
Can you
see?
Nice.
At the front.
You want to be in the front? Okay. See?
Thank you, Olivia.
You like it? See? Easy. Now, I'm going to show you guys how to take this up, okay? Pretty easy. This side, like this. One hand you carry the baby, and one hand you go like this, and then like this. See? That's it. Put baby down. See? Pretty easy. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.